What's up, YouTube? This is your boy, the Finesse God, JD, coming at y'all with clearly another unboxing. But this shit ain't gonna work. This is we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 packs. I can't leave all this shit up here, so give me like 0.5 seconds and we gonna move all this shit. Ready? Go. Just like that, we back. So look, man, clearly I'm coming back at y'all, like I said, with another unboxing. Today we got hella shit. Hi. Wanna say hello? To them, not me. Oh, I love you too. She hasn't seen me in like 2 weeks. But yeah, before we get into that shit, make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button, subscribe, join the God Squad, all that good shit. So we got hella shit today from ASOS, Urban Outfitters, a DMV brand called Projects, Fanatics, sneakers and stuff, and then I think Sense, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this shit, and then I'm gonna hit y'all with some facts at the end. Well, you know what? I'm gonna hit y'all throughout, but let's go ahead and get into one of these boxes first. So this box right here, with these first two are coming from Fanatics. Y'all know me, y'all know I like hats, and because of my current lock status, Lock Nation over here, I can't wear snapbacks anymore, so I had to switch back to fitteds, and these are just two fitteds. But what I wanted to talk about as I pull these out is the first thoughts and opinions video that's on my channel right now. It has got hella, and when I say hella, I mean hella hate. I think the last time I checked, that bitch was at 31 dislikes with like 2,000 some views. So if y'all don't know what first thoughts and opinions is, I might have clickbaited y'all just a little bit by photoshopping the shoe on my hand. But that was a horrible Photoshop on my end for that reason, because I didn't want y'all thinking I had the shoe. So I'm thinking most of y'all thought I had the shoe and I was going to be reviewing it or whatever. First thoughts and opinions is just that. My first thoughts and opinions on the shoe. I don't have it in hand. Fucking, I don't even know if I'm going to buy it at this point. It's just first thoughts and opinions on seeing it just released. So from here on out, I appreciate all the views, but damn, I'm the villain. I'm the villain of YouTube now. Y'all killing me in the likes and dislikes section. But nah, man. So enough about that. I'm going to bring this camera down just a little bit. Hold on. Alright, so like I said, I had to buy some hats because I found out I can wear hats. Shocks. Oh, did you fall? You gonna try to play? You gonna try to play it off like that shit happened? Like we ain't just see you live in 1080p because I don't have 4K. Yeah, we ain't just see that boo bird. Yeah, I'll edit it out if I remember. But nah, so shout out to the Savage Beauty. We figured out I can wear hats again. I just gotta get a big ass size 8. So this is the first one. Just an LA World Champion Johnson 2020. And then I got a hat in New York fitted, nigga. New York. Now I don't know that much about hats. I don't know if gray underbills is green underbill pink. I don't know all that shit. I just buy this shit if I like it. I ain't got time to be figuring all that shit out. Nigga, like, if I like it, I'm fucking buying it. Fuck, oh, you got the dirty brim. You ain't the real brim. Fuck you. I paid for it. It's a real hat, bitch. So, that's that hat. Let's go ahead and get into this ASOS bag. Alright, so I don't remember. I bought a few things, and then it's just certain things I can't show y'all because it's for like my anniversary and shit, so I don't want to put it out there and show y'all yet. So, because Savage Beauty is probably watching this, so I don't want her all up in my business. Like, she know what it look like, but she don't know like what it look like, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so the first thing I got from ASOS, I ain't think it would look like that, but alright. So, it's just this, oh, this joint, swaggy. You like it? It's a, it's like an overshirt, but it's like Power Ranger green, my nigga. Like, I ain't know it was gonna be this green, but like it's thick, like it's heavy as fuck. So this joint's kind of nice. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's nice as hell. So there's that. I got it in the size. What size I get? 2X. Like I always do. ASOS. So there's that, right? Put that in the middle. Let's go. ASOS again. See what is this? What is this? It feels like something that I can't show y'all. This what it feels like, honestly. Cause I don't want her to see it, to see what it is. Yeah, I can't show y'all this one. Is this? Yeah, I can't show y'all this one. Can't show y'all this. Where's the other one? Is this the other one? I'm pretty sure. It feels like it. I know y'all probably like, nigga, show us, nigga. She watches my channel. I can't. You'll see it when I put it on, nigga. What is this? Can't show. Yeah, can't show. Alright, cool. So those are the two that I can't show. Everything else I can. So this next shirt should be a shirt coming from ASOS. It originally was out of stock, and I was pissed, and I was like, damn, it's a clean ass colorway on the shirt. And I know I said the shirt had a colorway, but I mean technically don't all clothes got colorways, you know what I'm saying? But nah, man, I thought this shit was dope. I thought it was fire, and I wanted it. So I put in notification to be notified when it restocked, and it restocked. So I bought that bitch. It's just this tee says Rally on the front. That bit a little small. Did a little small for my big ass. Like, hold on, cuz. Like, the fuck is this, a crop top? I got it in 2X. Like, it's clean. Like, it has like a almost wash feel to it. Like, the colors is like faded a little bit. So I really like that. But shit, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit that bitch. That bitch gonna come up to here. Nigga, I'm tall. I hit a growth spurt, bro. Like, what the fuck? Alright, so enough about that though. If I can fit it, I'll let you know. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I don't think I can take that bitch back. But no, so there's that. Next pack. It's fucking squirrels. Next pack is coming from, why they got a calories? Oh my god. Somebody was eating breakfast when they shipped my shit. But nah, this next joint is coming from Urban Outfitters. I never buy from Urban Outfitters because I feel like they're overpriced as fuck. And if you want a great alternative to Urban Outfitters, I just dropped a video called Frugal Finesse Part 3. So go ahead and check that one out. Shameless plug. And go find you some dope ass shit for less than retail prices. Trust me. It's called the Frugal Finesse for a reason. If y'all seen my past 2 Frugal Finesses, this might be the best one yet. So, yeah. But nah, I copped this because I seen it on the Instagram ad. Instagram ads be fucking me over because I'm like, oh, that's soft dirt, I need it. And then I be buying shit and then I be broke. So, shout out to the motherfucking comforter set. It's like, nah, I ain't no comforter. This is actually a fucking jacket. Like, this shit hard, bro. I know you probably can't see it. Lowly like it too. This bitch hard. Like, it had multiple colorways. But this the one I wanted the most. I think even Savage Beauty is trying to buy that shit. So I'm super hyped to wear this shit. Like, I got the perfect fit for this bitch already, bro. Y'all know me. Nigga, like the way I do my clothes and shit, I don't think I told y'all. But the way I do clothes now, right, is I look through my shoes. And if I don't have at least 5 pair of shoes that can go with that fit, I won't buy it. Like, because at this point I have hella clothes and shit that, like, I gotta stop buying shit. So if I can't put like 5 different shoes with it, I just can't buy it unless it's like really hard as hell or some shit like that, or it's like a hoodie or some shit. But when it comes to like pieces like this that's a little bit on the expensive side, I won't buy it if I don't have a lot of fit. So this next pack is coming from it's this brand called Project. I'll put his IG on the screen right here. But I seen this because of Pat. And I was like, yo, I've been looking for one of these. Nigga, that's cold. So I went ahead. Well, Savage Beauty actually got, damn, this bitch kind of small. Savage Beauty actually got this for me in like I always wanted a yellow jump. Like vest is my thing now, but like I wanted a yellow one. I couldn't find a really good one. Like all the really good ones was kind of like trash looking, and like I really didn't like how they looked. But this one right here, I felt like this shit cold. Like, nigga, the fit I'ma put together. Say it, Loli. Say. Dad, I can't do that with my mouth. But the fit I got in mind for this one, boy, I'm about to pull some of my OG Jordans out the closet with that one. But shout to the homie brand. I should have had his IG up through this whole thing. Loli like it, so it's all that fucking matter. Alright, so second to last piece. Where's my box cutter? Alright, right there. Second to last piece. This is coming from Sense. SSENSE. I forgot how to spell real quick. So, fuck y'all. I know y'all be forgetting that shit too. Coming from them, and y'all gonna know what this is as soon as I pull it out. Hopefully, this is like counting shoes. This is like my 5th thing from them. So, shouts out to this. Ooh, this is my thick boy. Essentials, baby. Essentials. But nah, man. So I managed to come up on the essentials drop. My bag is fucked up. I managed to cop the essentials drop. And I know like a lot of people haven't really been, I don't know, like it sold out on PacSun, but it didn't sell out anywhere else for real, for real. At least some of the pieces didn't. But I seen this one, and like green is my favorite color, and I was like, yo, I have to cop this. So it's this fat ass essentials hoodie. This is the green jump, like the pistachio colorway. You like it? It's too damn big. Daddy look like the green giant. Loli ain't licking it, so I don't think she like it. But I copped this. Got essentials on the chest, knitted into it, and then on the back of the hood, well, on the top of the hood, it has essentials right there. I'm not gonna do a full review on a hoodie because, for one, I wouldn't even know what the fuck I do to review on. But yeah, it's a knit hoodie, and it has essentials on the front and top of the hood, and that'd be the complete thing. But this shit is heavy as hell. So like I feel like I'm gonna get some nice motherfucking like winter fits off in that shit. Like I said, like I don't buy shit unless I have planned outfits or shoes that can go with. Don't eat that. So I won't buy it unless I have the fits for it. Alright, so last box. The moment we've all been waiting for. The finesse god buys more shoes. Like he doesn't already have enough. Alright, so last box. This is coming from the Sneakers and Stuff. Shouts out Sneakers and Stuff. I seen these, and y'all know I've been on a hunt for like some Undiscovered Heat or whatever we're calling this series. And if y'all watched my last Undiscovered Heat unboxing, I unboxed a pair of these earlier. Well, not this specific pair. It's from this brand. And by that, I'm referring to Converse. Hopefully y'all can see that. So today we got a pair of Converse. And they the Chuck Taylor jumps. So we can go ahead and pull this one out. I really like these. Hopefully the print's the same through all of them, and it's not like the different shoe, different print shit. But let's go ahead and pull these out. I want to see how they look. Ooh, these cold. I don't know if y'all can see that, but these I forgot the like legit name for them. I think it's like the Slam Dunk jumps or what are they called? Fuck, I put the original name on the screen. I think these like the Slam Dunk Beat the World. That's what it was. It was the Beat the World Converse jumps. Man, these shits is hard, bro. Like, look at. I'll put them down right here. Look at these, bro. These shits cold as hell. Like the plush Converse logo. like the embossed jump to where it's raised up off. Man, these jumps hard, bro. Like, just give me artistic ass vibes. Like, I've been trying to find shoes that's like fucking like different to where everybody ain't wearing them. I'm yet to see a person wearing these at all. Like, everybody ain't fucking wearing them. Like, I can style them how I want. Like, just some different shit. And like, yeah, they call I think these are the Beat the World jumps. Like the two different tongues. Man, this shit crazy, man. These are probably the biggest steal I done got. Two different tongues. Motherfucking, like, that kidnappers writing and shit. We the kidnappers. Like, the fucking, like, ransom note look all over. Like, these shits is hard, bro. Like, I'm like, I don't know what it is, but I've been on a wave to where I just want to find different shit and wear it. And show niggas that you ain't gotta buy just Jordans and shit. Nigga, you can be cleaning some Converse and still be that nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's my whole wave I've been on. Like, I don't remember last time I legitimately bought like a brand new dead stock pair of Jordans. Like, I don't remember. Like, I don't be buying them shits like that. But yeah, man, I'm talking too much. I was ending up spending too much time talking about these shoes and my quest for undiscovered shits that nobody know about and shit like that. But in all honesty, man, the way I look at clothes, shoes, whatever you might buy, just because it ain't popular don't mean shit. Just because everybody ain't wearing it don't mean shit. Just because it ain't a collab, a PE, a limited fucking release, only like 5 made in the world and shit, don't mean you cannot enjoy your fucking shoes, nigga. There's other brands out there other than Nike and Adidas, my nigga. Like, and they make hella good shoes. Like, that's why I'm pretty much on this fucking journey of undiscovered hype or undiscovered heat or whatever, because I'm like, it's hella cold brands out here that'll give you more bang for your buck than you spending $500 on some Jordan 4s. That shitty ass material and like everybody got, or everybody trying to flip. Like, it's other shit out there, y'all. So that's where this undiscovered heat shit came from, because I got tired of buying the same shoes everybody else buy. And I was like, man, let me start digging into this shit and seeing what I could find or whatnot. But yeah, man, that's the end of the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and that like button. Subscribe for me. Join the God Squad. Shout out to all y'all that watch my Yeezy Knit Runner First Thoughts and Opinions video. I appreciate all y'all. Y'all smacked the fuck out of the thumbs down, but maybe y'all ain't hear me right. Hit the thumbs up, not the thumbs down. But nah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. And yeah, like I always say, I'll be doing a review on these for sure. But I just had to throw that in there, just in case y'all was wondering. I'll be doing a full review on these. And then I got some more shit coming down the pipeline that I'm really excited about. So yeah, I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for watching. And like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all.